So here we have two of the fellas. Have a look at breeze coming through. How's the exposure? So Narta, what do you think about this whole film project?
I think it's a good idea, you know.
Explain a little bit more.
A little bit more. You know, most times, you know, when you graduate from school, you just come home and just sit down just like that, you know. You need something to do other than school again. You know what I'm talking about?
So what kind of scripts you're gonna write? Dwayne?
Talking about me, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I want to go more back to the cultural script, you know?
For example?
I want to make some movies on Jamaican life. And honestly, I really don't want no violence. I'm talking about typical Jamaican youth life, you know what I mean? And look at romance, and look at, you know what I'm talking about?
I got you. How are you guys gonna plan to fund your films?
Sponsors.
Sponsors like?
Yeah, we have other prospects. I wish we remain anonymous for now.
Okay. I hear you're a big time DJ. You know, this film is titled In the Shadows because it's in the shadows of the world. We're trying to build a little film school here. That's why I titled it In the Shadows, you know? The third world countries are not seen as any kind of entertainment, you know, participants as far as films are concerned. Not music, of course. Reggae is here. But I hear you do a little singing, and you have a DJ name. What's that?
I'm calling the name of Kingpin.
Uh-huh.
On stage.
Can you give us a little piece of reggae?
Want a piece of reggae?
Yeah.
Alright. I want to go back to a more cultural aspect of my music right now, because that's not really me. But I'm going to do this. Ready?
I'm ready.
It's like jam down, yes I the best place under the sun. Mr. B.I.T. and the Soulful shipping me fun. From this island we now go run to the USA. Now read them cause jam down. Yes I the best place under the sun. Mr. B.I.T. and the Soulful shipping me fun. From this island we now go run to the USA. No tell, nothing I gonna make me left where me come from. Cause this is Jamaica. My Birdland them can't get me to leave. No matter what them plan. Yeah we are gonna steal all the dollars, no song, but still me can eat it all the yaki and the yam. Fish at the festival when I start me and me can go to the beach and play in the sun. Cause when I go to Jamaica, I think the woman, no Jamaica have dance like this, but I'm trying. And the great back man, the old things and the sun. When I go up, I ring just say, no white man. Yeah, we go see you know? It's like that.
All right. Nortel, I hear you do a little singing yourself. I'm on high exposure here, trying to get your dark faces because you're not white. Can you sing me a song, please, Nortel?
Yeah, I'll try.
Go ahead, sing me.
We are at war. We are at war. Yeah. I am on a battlefield with a destiny shield. Who can hear them must have to feel. On a battlefield with a destiny shield. Why me tell the youth them fi take heed? Battlefield with a destiny shield. Who can hear them must have to feel. On a battlefield, destiny shield. Why me tell the youth them fi take heed?
Now, I hear you had another song, something put on the guns or something like that. You know, guns are not the fault, something like that. I heard it. Hit that one.
Put off the Glocks and the snipers, M69mm away, throw them away. Second verse. All the nines and the Glocks, the money back it up. Try to get the boys and girls before they lock you up. Be smart, be wise, and open your eyes. Not the guns, they're gonna criticize. The nines, the Glocks, take it out your socks. M16 pump rifles, show it down, read our Bible. AK-47 and 45, throw down and you stay alive. Grenade, the sniper, homemade, revolver, pistol, magazines, M16, Desert Eagle, shotgun, SLR, Magnum, can wipe out the whole scheme. A skill on Mach 11, just killed 27. Uzi is busy, right through the city. Gatling missiles, you better open your eyes. It's time for guns to minimize all the Glocks and the snipers.
No doubt. So is this the kind of cultural content you're going to bring to the world?
That's what we want.
Now who's clapping there? We got a fan. You got a fan?
You want somebody else here?
You got a fan? Can you come over here as a fan? Where's the fan? All right, so sit down with them. We're opening up a film school, and we want to interview some Jamaican people. Sit one on the left, one on the right. Okay, this is the film school, no budget film in Jamaica. I'm Randy Pottinger. We're going to talk to some school. All right, so tell me about yourself. One to the right. What's your name, please? What school do you attend? Okay, and the other lady? What do you think about the film school we're trying to launch here? What role will you play in the whole filmmaking process here?
The role I play in the whole filmmaking process?
Yes.
As an individual, I think you'll be like helping the less experienced to be more, what should I say, what's the word doing? To be more professional.
Mm-hmm.
So not be afraid of the camera because it will do you no harm.
Okay, so cameras don't bite.
No, they don't.
Okay, and what role will you play in the filmmaking process? The other lady, please. What's your name again? I can't hear you. Your camera's biting you. You're not opening your mouth. How would you create films in Jamaica to change Jamaica? Guess I got you on the spot there. Well, sing us another song, Nartel. While she's at, sing us a love song, Nartel. Nartel happens to be a... You know that song you wrote recently? Sing a love song that you're going to sing on stage for one of your films. Something
about... I don't remember the starting. Oh, I remember. She's always crying out for more. Behind closed doors, she knows that I need her. And I still love her more and more. Ooh, yes. Reflections of love, reflections of life. Windows open, sun shining through. Reflections of love, reflections of life. Windows open, sun shining.
I see a smile over there. I think your song is going to be a #1. Any other singers in here?
They're beyond.
We're going to zoom in on her.
That's not true. That's not true.
Do you do any poetry?
Yeah, I do poetry, but they're not any good. I do DJ.
Okay, so give us a little piece. Don't be shy. Cameras don't bite.
Oh, that's true. I've been it not fix you. You don't even work to be miss you. Come on, I bought Debbie, them flop your round of applause and they give me a big clap. Me understand why you say me flop. Check after me never give back no chat. Yo, him cannot suck him up. One side him suck him, then he catch a tap. You know, I want a man that can carry me to movies. For me when me.
Whoa. Cameras don't bite, but you definitely do on the mic. Now who's this other? We got some more actors on for the show. All right. So let's have a panel discussion here. What really happened after college? How does it work? The school here in Jamaica.
We have the primary, secondary, tertiary level.
Explain that a little.
Okay, primary begins from first grade to 6th grade. At 6th grade, you do the GSAT exam in which you would advance to a high school, which is the secondary level. At high school, it's from first form to 5th form. When you're at 5th form level, you do CXCs, GCEs, SSCs, etc. With grades like 1, 2, or 3, you may advance to a 2-year program, which will be 6th form level. You go to 6th form, you do your CAPE subjects with good grades, you'll advance to a university, which will be the tertiary level. From there, I guess you get your master's, whatever, you move on to another level, which is a working level.
Career goals. Tell me about some of your goals. The one that's not talking. Career goals, please. The whole world is watching you. There's no need to be shy. It's about 2 million or so. No career goals? The camera's biting her. Now give me some career goals.
Well, I can't choose right now, I'm a lot. But mostly it's music.
Okay.
I like to be a big artist, you know what I'm talking about? Yeah.
And Dwayne?
Honestly, politics and entrepreneurship.
We have a no-budget film here. Who would happen to be speaking on the no-budget film? All right, more career goals.
Oh, it's my turn. I have so many to choose from. I'd like to become a playwright, an actress, a director, or even a news anchor woman.
Wow, yeah. What would Jamaican children say to the world right now? What do you guys need most?
More technology. More up-to-date technology.
For example?
Alright, honestly, even with the film school, we need more, you know, Michael?
Alright, we're going to do our first little drama right here, right now. We're going to take two, there's going to be a girl and a boy. Okay, do a little drama real time right here, right now. Alright, we're going to get Nortel and this other lady at the...
And the cameraman.
Not now, you're going to be on film. You're going to do a little dialogue for the film school. We're going to cut, we're going to come back with the show.
I'm the baby, I'm the
Not much I want to see you. What you up to?
Oh, did I think where you're still and can't even see you, know?
But it's like this, you know. I'm glad say I think about me, you know.
Yeah.
Cause it's like, remember that time up in the hills? Blue Mountain Lodge.
Right, I know again, listen.
You know, it's like, you know, so we have fun up there and all, but come like, we have too much fun.
You had too much fun, I enjoy everything, baby.
Listen to my man, let me talk. We had too much fun because...
Your father started?
No, no. We had too much fun because... Right now, I'm pregnant, you know. Look at the foolishness, man. I'm pregnant.
Yo, yeah, man. Yo.
I'm pregnant and you always ask me if you're a baby, you know, me pregnant, you know. When me go inside
so
my
what do you mean by you tell me no want to baby? We have two good for you right now.
I don't know what things just happen.
Things happen?
But anyways, listen to me.
Listen.
You get me pregnant, no, how am I going to tell that? How am I going to tell mom?
Picnic can't hold man again, tell him what the man breed on me. I do.
Oh, go on.
Yeah, we just want a little thing, you have to come out still, that's it, that's a get you understand. But you know what? You want some fun, you know? Some business, some protection thing.
I don't want to know what is that all about.
Mommy, you don't have to know that, mommy. Just give me, know yourself. Me see money already. Don't go like see it all.
I don't have any money and I really want to know what you're going to do with money.
Me see the money in your purse or a room, mommy.
But I want to know what you're going to do with the money.
My business.
I really want to know what you're going to do with the money.
You don't have to know about that, mommy. Just give me money. You hear about the accident down the road, mommy?
Really, but I really want to know what
you hear about the boy around?
I want to know what you're going to do with the money.
Now go buy some new shoes.
How much money that cost?
7 grand. 8 grand. 9 grand,
I don't
mommy.
have so much money. I just don't have so much money.
Mommy, you're too cheap, you know. You don't take care. Look for
I
good.
don't have so much
everything
money.
just come out.
I don't have so much money. And that seems like you're telling me a lie.
Everything alright, mommy.
Hey, mommy.
What's going on?
I want to talk to you. You know, I've been doing also well in school, right?
Yeah.
And there's just a little problem. You remember Trevor from school?
What?
Well, just the other day, Trevor asked me on a date and I so went with him because I like him, mommy. When we went...
He seems to be a nice person.
Yes, he is, mommy. While we went out, something happened between us.
What is that?
Mommy, we did something that adults should be doing, mommy. And I'm not proud of it. Because it's been like a month now and I think I'm pregnant.
What?
Yes, mommy, I'm pregnant. And I want to know what I should do about this because I'm in my final year and I need to go to university and I need your advice, mommy.
I need to think about that because I can't deal with that right now. Because I'm so upset. I don't know what to tell her to do now.
But mommy, we have to act fast. It's either I carry it or I don't carry it.
Listen to me. You never really think about condom or something else?
Mommy, we use it, but I don't know what happened. Mommy, what should I do?
I can't deal with that now. I need to think. I just don't know what to do. I know you're an adult, but I just can't deal with that now. I have to think. This is terrible. In a time like this?
Mommy, I'm pregnant and I'm sorry. But
No, I'm sorry, but I cannot deal with this now. I have to think about what I'm going to let you do. It's so sudden I can't deal with it now. I have to think about that. Can't you? I don't know. Why didn't you use protection or something?
Mommy, like I said, we used it.
And
But it must have burst or something, mommy. I really don't know what happened.
Well, you think about AIDS or something?
Mommy, I think we need to talk to Trevor. The
nervous.
three of us need to talk, mommy.
I am nervous. I am nervous because I don't know what's happening. I don't know what to say.
Yeah, you didn't need to start. You let the girl tell her to start. You know the way to the girl can come to give me a school. That's cool, man. You know, man. Give me that, man. It's cool, baby. Yeah. So don't take care of them. They call them to bring that. To bring that come over. Listen, yeah.
Well, go on, me thugs.
Well, fire, what
Now, tell me to say I want to school.
You don't think it's an artistic man. You don't have to think an
Artist thing.
shut up, you know. I'm going to wait for every school and teaching and
You got the lowest man at school,
bad man, see you, man.
Yeah, bad man, no. You don't care about the little mystery thing there. What one girl, man?
No, if I see a thing when the girl come call out and say, hey,
I wish you.
why do you let them carry one more than another day? I'm just fair, I'm stuck on the side, woman.
My own, should I use condom, my
I'm
own?
going to use more tree.
So what's happened?
I don't know, what can I do? Probably ask you about 2, 3 days, I'm going to know, you know.
Cut that down one. That's your ingredient a beat.
You're right, huh?
So, what's my everything, folks?
Kind of.
More, 8 grand a day.
You know, if John over all the other one, I'm going to keep this while it's not this.
How much of it?
I want to be a kingfish.
Everybody lives so higher.
No, man, but you don't know, you know what food I'm going to have in the background.
Not even $50.
Yo, yeah. Check me for tomorrow, man. You know, everything I
Take your word.
Take your word.
We come on.
Yes, sir.
Mommy, I itch with the funds, man.
But I said she's scared.
So, all boot and thing I have to go bust. I'm going to find a way to get the money. You see?
I want to go to
But what? Your closet full of fear, man.
I want something new.
New. You see, you have an old navy. I want something new to one boot. You say, you can't help me, you don't save no money on about it.
Well, hear the big news.
Which news?
Your mommy and Sharon attack.
Oh.
Sharon pregnant.
What? Pregnant? You mean by pregnant? A joke here, mate? No. Tell me say a joke here. You always have a name joke there.
I wish.
A joke here, mate. You.
Well, you know him.
Oh, any boy, you may fire my gun for that, you know.
You know, see your friend, you know.
Who that?
Trevor.
Trevor! Trevor! What me know?
You're
Me thumbs up.
high school.
Can't believe this. So what am I plan to do?
See, I'm glad the day for me, you know, because I really don't know how me I go tell David I'm pregnant. After him I drive for so long, and when this so long, me mean long. I didn't even do nothing. Boy, this is gonna hurt him feelings bad. Me say no, no, no. Why come in control?
I know, Sharon. I can't believe that really, man, you know, come to me. I mean, first man should have come to you.
You don't know how to stay, man.
No, but me I say you should have come to me first, man. You shouldn't make me have a year from somebody else.
You never give me no chance.
A long time, you know, say a long time, want me. So you have to come like blessing for me today, baby. You know, still want me good talk, man. You know, a long time. We can start family right now. I ring me and I put up my
David, give me a chance now.
Don't know. Alright.
We don't want hurt your feelings, and we don't want
don't know nothing can hurt my
sound
feelings I know, baby.
I really don't want sound cold.
Yeah. Don't know.
But David,
What? Now tell me say sitting around now.
the baby I no fear.
What?
And then you do it.
What do you mean, Anna?
It's Trevor getting me pregnant, David.
Trevor!
Yes, it's Trevor.
You mean Trevor from down the road?
Him same one.
Him that no dead man.
What you mean dead? Don't do anything
Come on,
stupid.
Trevor dead man.
David, what are you talking about? Don't do anything
No, man,
stupid.
can't. If I see Trevor, I'm in the life.
Trevor.
No, man, Trevor dead.
Sorry, don't do
Say Trevor dead,
anything
man.
foolish.
Sense me, man. I'm in my backyard.
Yo, Trevor, oh, God. A long time I see any dog.
Stop it.
The school I want everything.
I tell the boy from the means you are all deep.
You know, they don't know, see, I don't
think
think
you are for the car, not to go and keep this boy.
or I forget bum off, you know, so you know, see, I just one of them things there. Dog.
It's like we talk door.
Yeah, but differently still. As me rolling, I place me here, I think.
Oh, that sound like sus.
Then I know, say a little bit down the road, and say she's pregnant.
Sure.
Yes, man. You know what? You know what?
Yeah,
that man, them.
Fire. Yeah, man.
Yeah. That's a pregnant still. That I don't know one why daddy to you, dog.
Right now, I know, feel like I'm in.
But, real dog.
See, at first,
Yeah.
take it.
Yeah.
And we take it back, because we have box side of our face.
No, I tell you, man.
Get this and come
Yeah, man.
I think I put you on the thing.
Real,
Still. Lick it down, go 4 times a year, the Blue Mountain lads and lick them good too.
Since recently, because I get pregnant so much since recently.
2 weeks and a half
and kick out them teeth there. You don't know dog, I tell you. So, yeah. So you take care, right? I hear you.
First bleed star when I come to
So she tell us, yeah.
So
She tell us, I hear you.
you see a man and I'm see dog.
I hear you.
The feast of me one and it.
That's cool now.
The feast of me one and it.
I hear you.
Rate me.
I hear you.
Yes, sir.
I feel you. That's cool. We never know. Yeah, that know that. We have to face still in that. Yeah, easy. Yes. Oh, we have to say that. But guess what? She didn't even know that. You don't know it's a girl and a woman, dog.
What?
A girl and a woman, you know.
What do you mean your woman?
You mean my woman?
You can't make my woman.
Dog, give me a second. Give me a second. Give me a second. Give me a second. Don't, yo, dog. Boss. They say I'm my woman. Yo, woman, yo. Alright, you must woman.
Sure.
It's who that?
I don't know, man. Trevor, man. I'm telling you, voice.
Trevor, are you that? Come in now.
I don't know. Baby, I don't say. I don't know, she will show my face. Sorry, one word away what they done. I never necessarily said, I don't know the pressure. Kingfish and them things, I don't want to hear certain news. That's what why maybe that's what we can forget. We can forgive this thing.
Why, Trevor, you change, man? You come in and give me a whole hug.
I check for you for a long time, baby. You're shut out. You got the friends in the
Then, Trevor, why you not deny the baby? Why you stay so?
I'm not telling you the kingfish pressure, man, and my money now, I really want to hear certain things more time, but I'm my youth, man. My youth, man. New one.
But think you're not bang already now. But I guess I was wrong.
I don't really mean to me about 50 money, but everybody get nice, you know, I will not now go on, you know. And that's why.
Trevor, so when you said to me, a family time, me, the baby, and you.
Yeah. That will come from what that's from my mind.
What you talking about? Why is it by your mind?
I look a punk the name David to come over and be playing. I tell you, say, in my man.
Hey, Giving a man money and I don't want you to do nothing to me now.
So
because when you do your things and get me pregnant, you're not this one it. And David wants it. So you tell me where you
so,
up
what
to.
maybe now?
Me know you want it, you know. But since you say you want it and I fear one, David have to go one side. But don't do nothing to me now.
You might get me. I'm just letting them be a two times.
Don't worry yourself. Don't worry yourself.
Them boy, they're punk.
David not going to do anything.
You know the crew? Them boy, they're punk.
Don't do David anything. Because if you do
Me
David anything,
Me not rush him up. Me not rush him up. But make him come. I'm there for him, see me. Understand? Even myself, look at mommy, I come check you on. Be a kid, talk you nice things and sit and see you in the car. You know you like her, you know you like the
oh, be pregnant! KC is over!
The popcorn chicken will be come on.
A protein time, you want. What's your face though?
Milk everything, baby.
Hurry back, come back.
Alright.
Alright.
I just couldn't see more clear. I love it inside out. What you having?
Stress vibes every time when I feel haunted, me just come and say, oh, that's fun. Why you? I know I'm gonna get the funds now, hombre.
Where's the box? Oh, whatever. You know, I'm find somebody else place now come and check the sister. But no vibes already. We know already. We know already. She say I mean. You see what you would have mean. I do a thing and when I talk to you don't know what you have to do.
So you are sister.
Yeah, you can tell me.
Go here with me and say no. You know, because remember you did tell me last time, you know? You remember?
No.
Last week, you know?
No, I'm sorry, Joe. Remember, that's all I want to see now. I'm busy. I'm sorry.
Say, you tell me, say you're not having funds?
Have it, man.
You're having funds?
Why you go up in your yard?
You're having funds?
Why you go up in your yard? Because I'm not stress, no kingfish, no chicken, and boy, the rest.
Say no, no one. I'm like so.
I'm kind of sharp, but yeah. I'll come up over there.
Yeah. Yeah, man. The nasty one. You say, are they a stone of fire?
Oh, you know, we didn't even want to roll out in the car.
Look at the Empress, man.
Boy, them David as style, man. I didn't want to see them boy, you know.
David.
Boy,
they give me money and everything, you know, but you know, we can't do nothing else.
You don't plan that, but them boy, they are this.
You are my virgin. I am my virgin. You see me, I say,
I don't mean.
I don't want to hear say nothing about me. You see me,
I don't mean, if it's need to stop in and below, look at the boy, they are style.
Alright, keep it as that.
Him violate, but you know, say violate and must keep us on the range. May have come from our school. And boy, know them boy that come
no,
from.
not big team though.
Him violate.
Not big team.
No. Him violate.
Not big team, no my own.
Violate. But no, this is him and this.
Take him on.
Hey boy, Trevor! Yo, get up! Me say me get up. You know say I this man though. Me say I this man, you don't know what to do. Man for just fully up a cup and leg right now. Me say man for just fully up a cup and leg right now. Yo, stop that boy! Yo, that boy! That boy! Yo!
Hi, welcome. I'm Randy Ponder with the No Budget Film Crew. We just shot a film, No Budget, real time. What do you guys think about the film?
It was good.
Film was good? Now, In the Shadows, the film is placed in Jamaica, pregnancy, violence. How did you guys write this film?
Well,
Where did the idea come from?
the film wasn't exactly written. It was an improv thing. We were on the spot and we just came up with the concept of the whole pregnancy thing, secrecy, violence. So we just did it on the spot and it turned out wonderful.
Okay. Are you guys planning on doing more films like this?
Yeah, most definitely.
Most definitely.
So how was it? What did it feel like doing the first film with a no budget?
Well, it was okay. First time filming and it was comfortable.
What do you need improvements? If you're asking for funding, what do you need? More cameras, light? What do you need to expand your film production company?
You need more equipment,
Yeah.
such as voicing equipment, how to balance voicing, the whole lighting thing, how to block it off, how to add more light.
How to feel comfortable on the camera.
Yes.
So you need more training.
Yeah.
More training.
In that field, because we're natural actors and actresses.
Yes, of course, of
But
course.
in the equipment parts, we need help. That's
There is
all.
a short, there is a
Yes.
short on that.
Hollywood is calling for us.
Oh
aren't
my,
they?
yes, right.
Now, what part of the film did you guys like the most?
Conflict.
I would say the part where, where Sharon really tries to explain what has happened to her mom. That was,
That was intriguing.
yeah, they could really see some emotion there. And the thing is, a lot of people can relate to that instance too.
So this film did spark some kind of controversy or some kind of realism in Jamaica. This is the kind of things that happen often.
Yeah.
Every day.
That's one of the things what makes it so easy for us to look at. You know?
Right.
It's an everyday thing.
It's true.
True.
It's a life that we live.
Right.
Yeah, man.
Family members do experience these things on a daily basis.
Yes.
Yeah, it was natural, comfortable.
So the crew is called a no budget filmmaking crew, but you're looking for a budget at some point, right?
Yeah.
Most definitely. for a bigger production, that is.
How do you plan to market your film? You have a short film here that has some spice to it that will introduce yourself to the world. Do you plan on putting it on DVD and traveling the roads of Mandeville and selling this film?
Yeah.
Definitely. Not only Mandeville, but most parishes.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And I think the idea that the film is really trying to get across, it's in need out there. So
Yeah.
I think it will be progressing.
All right. Anything from anybody else?
Well, this is a few proposals to sponsors, you know?
Good. This is the first attempt to get sponsorship for your next film.
Right.
And you need more lighting equipment. You need more training in film. Buy some film books.
Yes,
Right?
I would
And
say.
some scripting, how to write scripts. And then you're off to the races.
Yeah,
So you're going to put this film on DVD, market it as much as you can, send some sponsors, and get moving with the whole crew, right?
Right, yes.
So in about 5 years, we expect to have, what, about 30 films or 20 or what?
Maybe
A year.
Yeah.
A year.
Right.
In a year.
Yeah,
we're that good.
it's not fun, so.
All right, so every day or what? Every week you guys meet on weekends to do. How does it work? On Saturdays you meet to do films.
Well, first we discuss what we really want to do, you know?
During a weekly basis.
Right.
Some people go to school, some people go to work.
All right. Mommy, you don't seem too happy about the film.
I'm just thinking.
What you
Said about the future. I'm just wanting to be shocked. I don't want to ever have that in reality in my children. So
Okay.
I'm just thinking.
So these filmmaking projects are prevention projects.
Yes.
Yes.
Prevention.
Yes. Not only that to it, it's a source of,
So this is good for Jamaica on a whole. Right?
right.
All right. Well, I admire your efforts here, and we're gonna get the film out. So that's it.
Yes.
That's it.
Thank you. This is the beginning. All right.
Okay.